Hello, and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today is March 21st, 2025, and we're analyzing Intel, ticker symbol Intel. We're going to cover the latest news and then dive into a detailed chart analysis. First, let's address recent headlines. The big news is TSMC denying rumors of a joint venture with Intel, which initially caused a stock dip. However, Intel's new CEO, Lip-Bu, is planning a major AI strategy overhaul, which could be a positive catalyst. Now, let's move on to the chart data, starting with the daily chart. We can see a longer-term downtrend starting in early April of 2024, from around 44, all the way down to around 20 in August of 2024. It's been hovering around 20 to 25 for nearly a year. The market seems to be reacting negatively to news, like the TSMC joint venture news, pushing it down to near the long-term support levels. The recent trading days have been quite flat, indicating indecision in the market. Zooming into a more recent time frame on the daily chart, the most recent support seems to be in the high teens to low 20s, and a major resistance around 27, with a small recent resistance around 25. If it can break through the $25 resistance, I would expect an upside. But news needs to come out regarding AI or CPU/GPU sales. Let's switch over to the hourly chart to get a better understanding of this last month. Here's the hourly chart, looking at the last few days leading up to today. On the 1-hour chart, we can see it broke the $26 resistance for a short time before plummeting in early March, and again later on March 17th. It looks like breaking through the $26 resistance is a buy the rumor, sell the news type of scenario. Now let's narrow it down to the 15-minute chart of yesterday and today. Here's a 15-minute chart for intraday analysis. The price is bouncing around $24 with small fluctuations. It is a good sign that it's trying to return to 24, where there's resistance from earlier in the month. In summary, for Intel, a break above $25 is bullish, suggesting a potential test of the $27 resistance. However, failure to break above and hold that $25 mark would point toward continued consolidation and a potential retest of the long-term support around the low 20s, where it has spent the majority of the last year. Keep an eye on news regarding AI and CPU sales, as well as general market sentiment, as any major news could trigger a significant price movement. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts.